Alright guys, today in this tutorial I show you some tricks how to tune up your images. With the right prompts you will get some different and amazing results, okay? These prompts you can use in Midjourney and also in Blue Willow. Blue Willow is absolutely for free, okay? You can create there as many images as you want, okay? And I will show you now in Blue Willow how to use them. In this tutorial I show you how to use light prompts, detail prompts and texture prompts, okay? And we want to create now an image of the actress Salma Hayek as Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. That could be interesting. Good, now let's see what we get. And after that I will show you how to tune it up with these prompts, okay, for better lighting, details and with the texture. Now this is our result here and it doesn't look so bad now. I really like the first one. That looks really very realistic, but this gun here, I don't know what is that. A little bit strange. But okay, no problem. Now, let's do it again. Copy, then imagine, prompt, paste it in, and then we use the light prompt now, cinematic, and mix it with a detailed prompt, hyper detailed, and another detail prompt, high definition, and Salma Hayek as beautiful. We can use also the prompt beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, now let's see what we get. Alright, this is our result here. And for me, the first one and the second one, very nice. The first one looks very realistic. Now we can mix it up with some neon effect. Copy. Prompt, and the neon is also a light prompt, okay? Neon. Q. Neon. And that looks pretty cool. You can see here very nice lightning effect we have here. Okay, this looks a little bit strange what she's doing here with her arms, and I don't know, but this one looks very cool. And with a texture you give your image a very different style, okay? Now let's try this again. Copy. And prompt and paste it, and let's say smooth. You can always jump to the last image on the bottom, and if you're looking for your images you created, because they're always creating a lot of images here, and if you're not there for a few minutes on your computer, then you can find it here, okay? You see directly here what you did. Alright, now look there. This is the result we got, and it looks really amazing with this smooth texture. Now with this gun here, looks more realistic, like a realistic gun. And I like also the first one. On this image here her eyes looks a little bit strange, but this one Looks quite amazing. You know that you can also create images from emojis, and this is very interesting. On this page, getemoji.com, you can find all existing emojis, okay? Also you can find them for iOS, Android, Mac or whatever. And here let's say we want a girl. Let's get her copy. Paste it in. And then a palm tree. Let's make a girl on a beach. Copy. Water wave. Tropical drink. Look there. This is our result, okay? Good, we don't see any girl there, but it looks very nice, the result for now. I think number 2, we can improve a little bit. Wow, that looks so amazing. You can see here with the pirate ship. This is a smaller sailboat. Very nice. And as a bonus, I have a list for you. When you click the link in the video description, then you can download a list with a lot of light prompts, detail prompts and texture prompts, okay? If you found this tutorial was helpful, then just give it a like, subscribe to my channel and then see you in my next video. Bye!
Oh, oh, oh.